we're going to have a quick look now at how we can adjust the seat. Obviously we've got the 2 bolts in here which will allow us to bring the seat up and down, and we've also got a little bit of adjustment in the rear with the trailing arms that we can set in a different position. If I undo the center bolt here, I can literally release that to a point where the capping nut will come out. That's going to come out and allows me to then rotate those around. Now what happens, you can see if I go too far, the back wheel is going to hit the seat. So I know that's in the top position, or I can rotate it to that position there. And now we can look at adjusting the seat. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking it from the lowest position right through to the highest position. And to get that seat up, we've just got to obviously remove those bolts. So put both bolts out, my seat is now loose. And you can see I can shimmy it up to a position. Line the holes up again. And I've got the seat in the higher position.